c into x whole square, or this is c square into x square. That is the general solution. But this curve passing through the point 1 comma 0, since it passes through 1 comma 0, let it be equation 1. I put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 in this equation 1. In equation 1 plus y value 0 is equal to c square into x. X is 1, x square is also 1, c square is equal to 1, so c is 1. You substitute c value in equation 1. 1 plus y square is equal to c square is 1 x square. That is the solution. Or write it as x square minus y square is equal to 1. Okay, in this way, when the curve passing through some point, based on this point we can find the constant c and then substitute that constant in the general solution, then we get the solution. This is one method, variable separable method. In next class we discuss homogeneous equations. Here, to all types of problems the variables are not separated. If the variables are not separated, then we check whether it is homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, then there is a method to solve that homogeneous equation. So we do some objective problems in differential equations. The continuation of the last class, write the next problem. Equation of the curve passing through the point 1 comma 3, having slope y by x at any point is. We find the equation of the curve passing through the point 1 comma 3 having the slope y by x. We know slope of any curve m is equal to dy by dx. In tangent and normal we already discussed slope of any curve is m is equal to dy by dx. But what is the slope given here? Y by x. Slope is y by x. So dy by dx is equal to y by x. Now separate the variables. Write it as dy by y is equal to dx by x. Now, once the variables are separated, integrating both sides, integral dy by y is equal to integral dx by x. Integral dy by y log y is equal to log x plus, if y is in terms of log, take the constant as log c. Log m plus log n, log m into n, log of c into x. Now remove logarithms, we get y is equal to c into x. Let it be equation 1. But this curve passes through the point 1 comma 3. Since it passes through the point 1 comma 3. That means you put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3 in equation 1. From equation 1, y 3 is equal to c into x, x is 1. So c is equal to 3. Now again substitute c value in equation 1. Therefore y is equal to, c is 3, 3 into x is the curve. Next problem. The solution of tan x into dy plus tan y into dx is equal to 0. Okay. Write the given problem as tan x into dy is equal to minus tan y into dx. Now separate the variables. Dy by tan y is equal to minus dx by tan x. Once the variables are separated, next on integrating, by tan x, 1 by tan y, this is taken as cot y, 1 by tan x, this is taken as cot x. Integral cot y log mod sin y, integral cot x log mod sin x. If there is log for the variable y, there is log, you take the constant as log c. Okay, RHS, this is in the form of log m minus log n, that is log of m by n c by sin x. Log m minus log n is log m by n. Now remove the logarithms, we get sin y is equal to c by sin x. On cross multiplying, sin x into sin y is equal to c. Sin x into sin y is equal to c. Next, the solution of x into root 1 plus y square into dx plus y into root 1 plus x square into dy is equal to 0. Okay, write it as x into root 1 plus y square into dx is equal to, take this term to right hand side, minus y into dy. Now separate the variables x and y. Take this root 1 plus y square to that side. Write it as y dy by is equal to minus x into dx by root 1 plus x square. Again, on cross multiplying you get this same equation. Okay, now integrating both sides. Now integrate this. See here, take 1 plus x square is equal to t. Let 1 plus x square is equal to t. Taking derivative on both sides. Derivative of 1 0, derivative of x square 2x into dx, that is equal to dt. So x into dx is equal to dt by 2. Now RHS, integral x by root 1 plus x square into dx is equal to integral of 1 plus x square is t, 1 by root t x into dx, that is dt by 2. Here 1 by 2 constant, 1 by 2 into integral of, this is taken as t to the power of minus 1 by 2. This is written as t power minus 1 by 2. It is in the form of integral x power n into dx, that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is t to the power of 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel. T power 1 by 2. But what is t? 1 plus x square. T power 1 by 2, that is root of 1 plus x square. So integral x dx by root 1 plus x square is root 1 plus x square. Similarly, what is integral y by root 1 plus y square dy? Root of 1 plus y square. Just in place of x there is y is equal to minus of plus, take this minus term to left hand side. Is equal to c. This is the solution. Okay, we do some problems in level 2. Write the problem. The solution of x into root 1 plus x square into dx plus y into root 1 plus y square into dy is equal to 0. Here x terms and y terms are clearly separated. Okay, now integrate directly, taking integration on both sides. Integral x root of into dx plus integral y into root 1 plus y square into dy is equal to 0. You apply the same substitution. Apply the same assumption. Take 1 plus x square is equal to t. Take 1 plus x square is equal to t. Then x into dx dt by 2. We evaluate the first integration. Integral x into root 1 plus x square into dx. This is equal to integral of 1 plus x square is t. So root t x into dx. X into dx, that is dt by 2. This is 1 by 2 into integral t power 1 by 2. Integrate t to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So we have t power 3 by 2 by 3. But what is t value? 1 plus x square. So this integration value is 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 by 3. Next, this integration are same. In place of x there is y. So this integration value 1 plus y square whole power 3 by 2 by 3. After integration you write c. Now on cross multiplying 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus 1 plus y square whole power 3 by 2 is equal to 3 into c, 3c. That is taken as another constant k. This is the solution. Next problem. Dy by dx is equal to x into y plus 2x minus 3y minus 6. Solution. Dy by dx is equal to from first two terms take x common, x into y plus 2. From these two terms take minus 3 common into y plus 2. This is y plus 2 into x minus 3. Dy by dx is equal to. Now separate the variables. Write it as dy by y plus 2 is equal to x minus 3 into dx. Okay. Now integrating. Integral dy by y plus 2 is equal to integral x minus 3 into dx. Integral 1 by, it is in the form of integral 1 by x into dx, that is log mod x. Here it is log mod y plus 2 is equal to integral x square by 2 minus 3 into integral 1 dx, that is x. Here y contains log, so take the constant as log c. Now simplifying this equation, log y plus 2 minus log c is equal to x square by 2 minus 3x. See LHS, that is in the form of log m minus log n. LHS is in the form of log m minus log n, log of m by n, y plus 2 by c is equal to x square by 2 minus 3x. Now this is with base e. From the definition of logarithm, y plus 2 by c is equal to e to the power of x square by 2 minus 3x. Now cross multiply, y plus 2 is equal to c into e power x square by 2 minus 3x. Next, next problem. The solution of dy by dx is equal to e power 3x plus y given y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. What is the given equation? Dy by dx is equal to e power 3x plus y, that is taken as e power x into e power y. Now separate the variables, write it as dy by e power y is equal to e power 3x into dx. Now integrating both sides, integral of 1 by e power y, that is e power minus y into dy is equal to integral e power 3x into dx. It is in the form of integral e power x, that is e power x, e power minus y by derivative of minus y minus 1 is equal to integral e power 3x, e power 3x by 3 plus This is the general solution of this equation. But x value and y value is given. Y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. You put y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 in this equation 1. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. E power 0 1 is equal to e power 0 1 1 by 3 plus c. So c is equal to minus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Now substitute c value in equation 1. From equation 1, minus e power minus y is equal to e power 3x by 3. C, what is c value? Minus 4 by 3. Okay, minus e power minus y is equal to, what is the LCM here? 3. E power 3x minus 4. Cross multiply, minus 3 into, or write it as e power 3x plus 3 into e power minus y is equal to 4. This is the solution. In any problem, when condition is given, by using the given condition, find the value of c. Again substitute c value in the general solution. Next, find the equation of the curve whose differential equation is one plus y square into dx is equal to xy into dy, and passing through the point 1 comma 0 is what is the given differential equation? 1 plus y square into dx is equal to xy into dy. Now separate the variables. Y by 1 plus y square into dy is equal to dx by x. Again on cross multiplying we get the same equation. Once the variables are separated, on integrating we find the solution. See here, derivative of 1 plus y square, derivative of 1 0, derivative of y square is 2y, but there is y only. So multiply numerator and denominator with 2. Why we multiply with 2? If we multiply numerator with 2, numerator 2y is the derivative of denominator. If numerator is derivative of denominator, its integration is log of denominator, log of 1 plus y square. Integral 1 by x dx, log mod x. If the variable y is in terms of log, we take constant as log c. Log m plus log n, log m into n, log of c into x. Okay, cross multiply, log of 1 plus y square is equal to 2 into log cx. Write this as log of cx whole square, n into log m power n. Now remove the logarithms, log cancel, we get 1 plus y square is equal to